Hello everyone, welcome to PPS Spark. I am Vegan. This is our fourth app video. Today we are going to do something simple and fun. We will create a simple reminder app. If you are new to the mobile app development, don't worry. You can see our previous video for better clarity and understanding. Shall we start?
Okay, let's go.
Now I am going to create project. Project name is called reminder app. I just give reminder. This is our designer section. Here we going to create front end thing. Okay. User whatever user can see that is called front end. Now I am going to design the block. You already know how to do horizontal and vertical layouts. Now first I select align horizontal as center, align vertical also center. Now I select text boxes. I am going to use three text box for our application and then one button. So now I feel this background is very simple. So I am going to change my background color. Background color as green. Okay. And then I am going to change text from button. I change that as a set alarm. Okay. This is our button. I am going to give hint for user. Whenever users see this text box, they don't know why this text box is here. So now I am giving the hint for user. I am giving hint as a message for reminder. And then second text box, I give the hint for heart. And then minutes. This is the hint for user. Now, this is the basic interface. It's enough. Now I need to give one sensor. That sensor is called clock because I'm going to use clock also. And then this only enough for setting alarm now? No. So now I am going to download one extension. Extension for setting alarm. Alarm extension. Go search your web browser and then search alarm extension for MIT App Inventor. Select the first one. And then the App Inventor extensions alarm. This is our website. Scroll down. Okay. Finally, you see the download free version of the alarm extension AIX5. This one. Okay. Click that. Your download will start shortly. Wait for. Now it's downloaded. And go to the MIT App Inventor and then select extension, import extension, choose from your computer. This is our extension. Open that, import that. It's not coming here. Ah, it's coming. And then drag and drop here. Now we got what are the things we need. Now I am going to do block sequence. Now here, whenever user click the button, do something. What I am going to do? When button one click, do these things. What things we need to reset the alarm? Select the typhoon alarm one. Here we got one thing called typhoon alarm set message or minute. It's pre-built one. Whenever we click the button, that time it will cause the typhoon alarm. That's it. We have set the alarm. First thing, we need message. Message will come our first text box. So I am going to select that. It will come as a text. So I select text box on dot text, and then I duplicate this and again also. My first text box contains message. My second text box contains hours. My third text box contains minutes. That's all. This is our reminder app, simple reminder app. I hope you really understood how to create a simple reminder app. If you have any doubt, ask us in the comment section. I will clarify you in the upcoming videos. And one more thing, don't forget to share our video with your friends. Subscribe to our channel. I'll see you in the next video. Stay tuned. Bye bye.